that label, so sexy. This one's Hades Lady Customized Woodburn Spoons by me at Pepper Envy LLC. It's hot, bro. Let's try it up. Sup guys, so I just did an unboxing on Persephone'S. If you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. It's on my description box down below. Guys, I got some cannabis in that box, but I had to restrict the video because of that. And I also received some hot sauces, which I will be reviewing right now. I'm so excited because guys, they only produce like bomb products there. So check this out. This is the first one sent from 2 hot sauces. Look at that label, so sexy. This one's Hades Lady. Let me tell you guys the ingredients because I don't even know what I got myself into here. I hope it's just like something sweet, right? And we're starting off right, guys. It has sweet peppers, Marconi, and Corno di Toro. Oh, and it also has hot peppers, guys. Ghost, habanero, and reapers. Ay, quemar la boca, guys. Goodness gracious. It also has garlic, apple cider vinegar, sugar, and salt. Well, vamos a abrirla. Guys, look at that. It's so fancy. It's so pretty. They did such a nice job with this. Let's open this one with the help of my cuchillo because it's pretty hard to open. Woo. There you go. Give it a good shake. You get my little spoon, guys. Get your customized Woodburn spoons by me at Pepper Envy LLC. Only $5. Never pay shipping. Vamos a abrirla. I'm gonna take the dripper stopper off because I want a full spoon of this. I probably shouldn't. I probably should have just done like a drop and be like, oh, the flavors or something like that. I don't know. There she goes for a full spoon all the time. Ooh, the color. Did you guys see that? That pour on that? That is beautiful. Check that out. Oh, very nice. Very smooth looking. The color is very vibrant también. Alright guys, let's go for it. I mean, it smells delicious. I can already smell the garlic in there. I love garlic, guys. Vamos a probarla. Oh, bro, this is bomb. Oh, it's hot though. It is hot, bro. Created fire, but the perfect amount of sal. The garlic. Oh, I love the garlic in here. Just the right amount of garlic. Honestly, I always say some need more garlic and all that. This one's perfect. Oh, this one and some tacos, but maybe just a cucharada per taco because it's pretty hot. Oh, it's pretty hot. Ooh, but it's so good. This one's delicious, bro. Like, oh my goodness. So good. If I ever make sauces, I want them to taste like that, man. That one's delicious. Let's taste the other one. Que se me cae poquito, que se me cae poquito. Oh, it has my mouth burning. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my goodness, it has no label on it, guys. It's like a secret recipe. You guys think it's even spicier? What if it's even spicier? My mouth is burning and I didn't put my... Oh my goodness, don't tell me my ears are going to start turning red. Don't look at my ears, guys. Let's cover my ears. Oh, I shouldn't have worn my hair out, guys. He didn't think this went through. And I be getting some people that be messaging me that I look like a cartoon because my ears turned that red. I don't even want to open it because this is so pretty. Pero vamos a abrirla to see how this one tastes. But you guys see that oranginess in it? I feel like it's just orange habaneros. But you never know. And that's what's so exciting about trying stuff like this también. That you get to figure it out. Like, is it going to be spicy? Is it not going to be spicy? Vamos a quitarle este. Because my mouth is still on fire, guys. My mouth is still on fire. And it's climbed up. Like, it went to the back of my throat, but like up towards my ear. Some people say it lingers in the back of the throat or it goes from the back of the throat down. Now this one's going up. It's going up to get into that head high over there. Ooh, let's see this one. Let's see the consistency. Ooh, this one's more of a liquidy consistency. It smells bomb. But it doesn't, I don't smell that much garlic like in that one. That one smells so good with garlic. Vamos a probar esta. This one has like a citrusy notes into it. Very, very good. You know what I would do this one on some pepinos in the verano. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I want to do just a little more. It has heat, guys. It has heat. I want to say it's like a habanero heat. Could have some ghost in there because it's like going towards the back. But it's good. Bro, your flavors are really on point and the saltiness is like perfection. Like you have got to have like years of experience making these sauces. Bro, this one's bomb. It's really, really good. Let's do a shot of it. Just because I'm that awesome, guys. Just because. And because he also sent me the other stuff that if you guys haven't seen it, go check out that video. Watch me get high. Let's try up. I probably shouldn't do this much, guys, because I should have taken a picture of this first. But let's go ahead and try this one. I'm not ready for it. I'm not ready for it. But let's go. Let's do a shot of it, guys. Hey, it is so good, but the heat is lingering all over my mouth, guys. Y no la retoita. Está caliente, está caliente, está caliente. But so good, guys. The flavors in that one, so delicious. Like, you do have hints of garlic in it. Not as much, but you have it. You have citrusy notes, like going towards the back. The flavor is throughout and it's just such a beautiful flavor, guys. Oh my goodness. This one would be great on so many things. Like, no nomás ensaladas. Like, you can have it on fish, on tacos. Bomb products. Thank you, bro, so much for sending me these. And I better post them before I finish them because they are so delicious. Thank you guys for watching. You guys are amazing. Have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.